Steel production is one of the most polluting industries of the world, accounting for about 7% of the world's carbon emissions. Now, 3 Swedish industrial companies are joining forces for change.
I'm here in Luleå, in northern Sweden, close to the Arctic Circle. And this is where 3 industrial giants have formed a partnership to set up the first fossil-free value chain to produce green steel. And this site here is the entrance to hydrogen cave, which will be vital in this venture.
So we're standing here in Luleå in this hydrogen storage.
A key part of the venture is to develop a hydrogen storage system, so there will be a steady supply of the fuel for the production process.
Hydrogen is used in the process, replacing coal when we turn iron ore into iron. By using hydrogen from fossil-free electricity instead of coal, we remove the source of emissions from this process.
You know, just a couple of weeks ago, we were able to produce the first fossil-free steel in the world. And this is now the next step in building a completely fossil-free value chain together with our partners, �LKAB and Vattenfall.
A gas tank of about 100 cubic meters will be built inside this rock cavern to store hydrogen. If testing is successful, they could make it 1,000 times bigger on an industrial scale.
This is the product that you get when you go from iron ore and reduce it with hydrogen. Instead of using coke and coal where you get carbon dioxide, you get water as the byproduct. And that's when you get sponge iron. This is a raw material then going to �ССAB, where you're supposed to melt this in an electric arc furnace. And from there you get steel that you roll out before you have an end product.
�СSAB has already struck deals with Mercedes-Benz and Volvo Group, who has recently launched the world's first fossil-free vehicle.
The vehicle behind me is a dumper to be used in quarries or in mines. It is fully electric, it is fully autonomous, and it's built upon fossil-free steel. But I think that the beauty now, what we are learning with fossil-free steel, is that from a manufacturing perspective, there's no difference between a traditional fossil-based steel and fossil-free steel. If you look into a microscope, the steel is identical.
Transforming energy-intensive industries like steel production will be key to combat global warming, especially as energy demand is expected to continue to soar.